This video demonstrates how to replace the screen of a Samsung S20 FE smartphone. While it focuses on the screen replacement, the overall disassembly process can be applied to other Samsung devices from the S7 series onward, as Samsung has maintained a relatively consistent internal design during this period. This makes repairs relatively straightforward, even for those with limited experience. The most challenging part of the repair is removing the back cover. Although it's made of plastic and is less prone to breakage, it's recommended to use a heat gun or heat pad to soften the adhesive before inserting an opening tool. Once heated, the cover should come off easily. After removing the back cover, you'll need to unscrew the Phillips number 1.5 screws securing the phone's internal components. Remove the speaker and the motherboard cover to expose the internal components. Disconnect the battery, then remove the motherboard flex cables. To remove the battery, apply a few drops of isopropyl alcohol to loosen the adhesive and gently pry it up using a plastic opening tool. Be cautious not to puncture the battery. There's an additional screw securing the motherboard near the rear camera. Remove this screw and lift the motherboard. The SIM tray is attached to the motherboard, so remove it as well. Next, remove the front-facing camera, the antenna coaxial cable, the fingerprint sensor module, the charging port board, and the vibration motor. Insert the new screen into the phone. The new screen will be empty, so you'll need to transfer all the components you removed from the old screen to the new one. Ensure that all flex cables are securely connected. The most challenging steps in this repair are removing the back cover and the battery. The rest of the process primarily involves removing screws. After watching this video, you should be able to perform this repair on your own Samsung device.